Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a deep cleaning of the master bedroom, aka my room, and I am going to be doing a lot of decluttering because yeah, I need to get rid of some stuff in this room. So I'm also gonna throw in some laundry motivation. You guys know I swear laundry never ends in this house, so I decided I'm gonna add it into this video so I can motivate some of you guys. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started.
I always like to make my bed first and then start to clean everything else around it. So here I was just putting away all the clothes that I had dumped on the bed before I started to make it.
I spend too much time just getting ready. Let me be honest, I don't know what's...
I have a video that I uploaded not too long ago about how you can clean your room fast and easy, and I do share all the steps that you can do to make sure that your room is nice and clean in a quick and fast way. If you are running on no time at all, you got some stuff that you need to get done. So this is a video that is for those of us who are on the run all the time, but we also like a tidy home. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'll link it up here and also down below, so you can go ahead and watch it after you watch this if you have not seen it. Once I'm done making the bed, I go ahead and I tidy up around and I put everything away. Anything that is not in its place, I go ahead and I find its place. Sometimes we have some glasses of water in our bedroom. My husband likes to keep a glass of water next to the bed in case he gets thirsty in the middle of the night. So I go ahead and put away anything that does not belong in our bedroom. And sometimes I do have toys or clothes on the ground, so I go ahead and I pick up everything. And here I'm just organizing a few things. I tend to do that. I move things around just to see if it fits better. So yeah. So I wanted to deep clean my room, and this was a time where I wanted to rearrange, not rearrange, but just organize my dresser a little bit, fold my clothes a little bit nicer, and just have everything organized in the drawers. It just makes life so much easier where you can find everything nice and easy.
God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight.
One thing that I started doing for my drawers and for my dressers and also my kids' dressers is how I fold them the KonMari way. I find that folding my clothes this way and organizing it this way just saves so much space, and I am also able to tightly fit everything in, and it also just looks so organized, and it helps me especially with my 5-year-old because he's now at the age where he's dressing himself, and it just makes it so easy for him to find clothes. So here I am just showing you my favorite method all-purpose cleaner. This is in the pomegranate scent, and it's grapefruit scent. And I just love it. It smells so good, and as you can see, I've used quite a bit of it, but I honestly love it so much. But you can use any all-purpose cleaner that you have on hand. I just happen to always have this one on hand, so it tends to be the one that I go to, even though I do have other cleaners in the house. So I found this little organizer that I'm putting in my brush at the dollar store here, Dollarama here in Canada, and it was in the aisle where you find the office supplies, and I just thought it would be such a perfect fit for my face oils and my deodorant and my brushes, and it just organizes it so well. So if you're in Canada and you have a Dollarama near you, go check them out. So everyone is got a junk drawer, and a lot of people have it in the kitchen. I have mine in my bedroom, and as you can see, it is a hot mess, and I saved it for last because I was not sure I was gonna be able to clean it out. But here I am showing you guys my flaws and all, and this thing is just so cluttered. I wanted to go through everything and throw away anything that I did not need or anything that was just garbage altogether. So I had my garbage bag nearby so I could go through everything thoroughly and throw away anything I did not need.
But now I shine with your reflection on me. I'm getting back up on my feet. That you showed up was written in my palm. You are a statement, explode like a bomb. I get to push myself to victory. You make me winner. You cut me loose and set me free. You make me win in every way. You showed me how to spread my wings.
So while going through everything, I found this picture of me. It's from like 1998. I think I was like maybe 11. Yeah, I was about 11 years old there. So I just wanted to share with you guys because I did not even know I had it in there, but I'm so glad I went through it because I found a ton of other pictures. I'm definitely glad that I went through this drawer because I ended up taking out a ton of garbage. All the things that I didn't need and wanted to throw out ended up in the garbage bag.
Or am I dreaming? So far gone, I won't look back. And when I move, there ain't no stopping me. You're pushing me up to the top. I saw the clouds looking angry, but then the sky reached my mind. And when I space out, I see the possibilities unfolding the way that I want. That you showed up was written in my palm. You are a statement, explode like a bomb. I get to push myself to victory.
Now that I had my room all nicely vacuumed, I wanted to go ahead and get on that laundry that I had promised you guys. It was just one laundry basket that I needed to fold and put away, which is a shocker. Usually I have like 2 or 3 baskets full and ready to go every time I try to do laundry and catch up. I just can never really say I've caught up with laundry, but on this day I was so glad that I only had 1 basket to do, and it was my husband's and I's clothes. Usually the majority of the clothes are for the kids, and if you have little ones, you know how tiny their clothes are, and they just seem like they take forever to fold and put away.
I see you standing there, us to the night. safe. Sweet blossom in the rain. You flip around your hair as if you're unaware, but you should know that I'm looking at you. You make me feel like I'm made of colors. Just you and me, ignore the others. Do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause I do. I do, I do, I do, I do believe in lovers like me and you. Yeah, you just keep on dancing all night out, all
I hope you guys
night.
enjoyed that video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and if you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so right here and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.